Thought I'd do a small maintenance video on my bike, and for this one I will change the air filter elements. So yeah, due to that I don't have any good place to wash and clean the old filters on my winter storage, and it also takes some time for filters to dry out after you clean them. So yeah, I thought I just buy an extra pair to have to swap on my bike. And then when I have swapped, I can just take and clean the old ones and have them dry and ready till I need to do a change again. So yeah, here are the new filters. And before installing those, I will use this K&N air filter oil and applying that evenly on the so-called dirty side of the filter. And then let it sit for about 20 minutes before installing it on the bike. Meanwhile, unscrewing the bolts for the covers, also cleaning a bit on the cover and around the air filter box or whatever to call it, and then just pulling the air filter out. And yeah, here you can see the right one, and yeah, it's really dirty, so very much needed. And the same for the left side. So really simple and easy, and yeah, I might do a small maintenance video as well for when cleaning the air filters. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.